We are working today on a 2013 Kia Soul. This is a base model. We're going to do an air filter, and honestly, most everyday passenger vehicle air filters are going to be very, very similar to this. Very, very easy to do. This one just has these two clips here. There's one here. There's one here. There's two retainers that hold it that way. It just means it needs to slide. The cover needs to slide out this way, comes up, and the air filter will come out. Not really sure when the last time the work that we'll be doing today, which will be over a couple different videos, was done. So we're gonna get it done and get this into running better shape. So anyone can do an air filter, honestly. Easy way to save some money from any shop or anything is you can go get these for cheap yourself, and then this is as simple as pull that clip off, pull that clip off. Like I said, I look back here and there's two kind of hooks that hold it in. So this slides this way, this slides up. Here is the old filter. This comes out. You can see I've definitely seen worse, but also it could be better. It's certainly not going to hurt anything to make sure that it's clean. So this is the old one. And we're just replacing it with a new one. So then it's the exact same thing in reverse, and it should make sense which way this goes in, because otherwise the airbox not going to fits flush on top. So that goes in, and you're gonna. So the hooks that are back, kind of see that one. So that's just got to go in that hole. On both sides, and it's going to slide into place. Clip. Once I get it sitting flush, clip. Clip, and you're done. That's an air filter.